Hello friends, today's video will be on William Wordsworth, the father of Romanticism, great romantic poet of nature, the worshipper of nature, William Wordsworth, who told, "Nature never betrayed that heart loved her. Child is father of the man. Come forth towards nature. Let nature to be your teacher." So William Wordsworth was born on 7th April 1777 in Cockermouth of Lake District in England. He was studied in St. John's College in Cambridge University, and he started writing poems 1793 to 1795, and he met his friend St. Coleridge in 1795, and they started writing lyrical ballads, and they published it in 1798. Lyrical ballads. It was a unique poem collection which was consist of 23 poems, and out of that only 3 poems are of St. Coleridge, and that is the first poem in this collection was The Rime of Ancient Mariner. It was written by St. Coleridge, and 17 poems was written by William Wordsworth. And later in 1800 the second edition of Lyrical Ballads published, and its title was Preface to Lyrical Ballads, and this preface was written by William Wordsworth. And in 1802 William Wordsworth was married Mary Hutchinson, and he was very influenced with French Revolution. He also went to Germany with his sister Dorothy, and in 1843 he became poet laureate after Robert Southey, and he was poet laureate since 1850 till death. And he was written his famous semi-autobiography, The Prelude, and it was 14 books. So William Wordsworth was saying, go back to nature and treat nature as your teacher, because nature never betray, and he observed the outer of the nature, and he never point the negative parts or bad segment of the nature. So he was a best and well-known romantic poet, William Wordsworth. So today's for all this. We will see you again. Thank you so much.